From the last few videos, we have been using Jupyter Notebook for our programming in Python. In this video, let me show you some of the tips while using the Jupyter Notebook for programming. First and foremost is knowing how to change the file name and knowing how to save it. As you can observe, we have been programming in this screen, and it has the name as Untitled as mentioned above. To change the name, just click on the name Untitled. You'll get a pop-up requesting for a new notebook name. Here, you can rename your notebook as per your requirement. I'll rename as My First Program and press the Enter key. Next, to save the Jupyter Notebook, click on the Save button here. If you click on the file on toolbar, you can see the list of available options. Here you can create a new notebook, you can create another copy of your existing notebook and download as in the form of different formats and so on. All these are self-explanatory and you should be able to use it as per your requirement. Okay, I'll now click on the program line here. All these individual spaces where we are writing our programs are called cells. And when I'm writing the code inside the cell, you can see a little green box around it. Can you observe it? Yes, this green box says that we are inside the cell in edit mode. Now I'll press the escape button on keyboard. The green box has been changed to blue box. This is known as command mode. This means whatever the key we enter on our keyboard, it will be bound to notebook level actions. To enter back to edit mode, just press the Enter key. So there are two modes, edit mode and command mode. Now let's see some keyboard shortcuts in command mode. I'll press on escape button to enter into the command mode from edit mode. We already know that to execute the code, we were using the command of Shift plus Enter. What this was doing is the system was executing the current cell and moving to the next cell. There is one more shortcut, that is Control press Enter. What this will do is the system will run the current cell but focus would stay on the same cell itself. Like this. When I pressed the Control plus Enter key on my keyboard, the system executed the current cell but the focus remained on the same cell. Now there is one more shortcut, that is Alt plus Enter. If I use Alt plus Enter, the system will run the current cell and create a new cell below it. Like this. I'm now in edit mode. I'll go back to command mode by pressing the escape button. As you can see, the border has been changed to blue color, saying that we are in command mode. Now being in command mode, by pressing A in keyboard, a new cell is inserted above the current cell. Like this. And by pressing the B button in keyboard, a new cell is inserted below the current cell. Like this. And we can copy a cell by pressing the C button. And we can paste it by pressing the V button on keyboard. Now, whenever you are writing a code in a cell, make sure it is selected as code on top of the screen. If you want to create a markdown like this, then you can make a cell as markdown cell by selecting the cell and selecting markdown on top of the screen. And to make any particular line as a comment, we can make use of shortcut Control with / like this. This will make the line as a comment line. And finally, we use the tab button to see the completions available for that particular function or variable. You can refer the description of the video for all the shortcuts shown in the video. Thank you so much.